Good morning, everybody! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Good morning and welcome to the Shed School. Oh, in the shed, Oh, what? What's going on? We're not in the shed today. No, this is Shed School, the home edition. That's right, today we are not broadcasting from the shed because what I didn't realise today is that there are lots of gardeners in my garden. Yes, lots of gardeners cutting bushes and trimming trees. We have a shared garden, that's where my shed is, and they occasionally turn up and they are trimming trees today, and I thought, you know what? Let's move it inside because it was too noisy. Far too noisy. So, we're doing it from in here, which is really weird. Literally just managed to set everything up really quickly. I hope you can hear me. I hope everything's working. But there's people here. Let's see who we've got in the shed, in the lounge today. Let's have a look. So we've got Sophia. Good morning. Good morning, Jasper. Good morning, Will. Good morning, Will. Good morning, Lucy and Summer. Good morning. Good morning to Oscar. Good morning, Oscar. Good morning to Lottie. Good morning, Lottie. And good morning, Lizzie. Good morning. Good morning to Alicia. Good morning to you. Good morning to Elodie. Good morning, Elodie. Good morning to Alexa. Good morning, Alexa. Good morning to Penelope. Good morning to Harry and James. Good morning, guys. Good morning to Florence and Elliot. Good morning to Ted. Hello, Ted, in his shed. Ted, hope you're in your shed today, Ted. Cool. School, house school. Yeah, I like that. Today is the house school. And good morning to Evie and Chloe, and to Lizzie, and to Elo and Kashan, good morning, and Sophia, good morning, and Tommy, good morning, and Ada and Stanley. Ada, sorry, can't read my writing. Ada and Stanley. And good morning, Brody. Good morning. Good morning to Arush. Good morning. Good morning to Thomas. Good morning to you. Good morning to Alex and Rowan. And who else? We've got Elsie and Spencer. Good morning. And Lelani and Winter and Arush. Oh, I said Arush. Alana, good morning, and Catherine Hall. Good morning to you in Oxford as well. I haven't even got any of my stuff. I haven't even got my board wiper. Oh no, I'm gonna have to just use my hand. I had to pick up some stuff really quickly. So I picked up my whiteboard, picked up my pen, picked up the camera, tripod, all those type of things. Oh, good morning. And my wife is working next door, who's just said good morning from next door. So I'm really sorry. Sorry, Flo, you're going to hear all the Shed School stuff. Sorry. Good morning to everybody. Let's see who we've got on the live feed today. Good morning to Maria. Good morning to you. Oh, this is all over the place. Good morning to Sky and Sam. Good morning. Good morning to Brody in sunny York. Good morning, Brody. Good morning to Isla, and hello to Leverstock Green class. Leverstock Green School, class 2. Good morning. Bella, good morning. Safi, good morning. Gail and Oliver, good morning. Good morning to Freya Welsh. Good morning to Freya Welsh. Good morning to Amelie. Good morning. Good morning, Arthur. Good morning. Hope your iPad's got some charging today. Good morning to Sophia. Good morning to Dylan and Olivia, Maddie. Just good morning to everybody. Thanks for joining. Well done. Right. What a funny start to the day. How strange. I don't like this lighting. I look really weird. Oh, it's a bit blurry, isn't it? It's a bit blurry. Let me just sort that out. Is that any better? Whoa! There we go. That's a bit better. Oh no, it's all going all over the place. Well, welcome to the Shed School. If you've never been here before, it's not normally like this. I'm normally in a lovely, colourful shed with lots of work all around me. But if you are joining for the first time today, welcome. All you need is a piece of paper and a pen. That's all you need. That's all you ever need. If you've got a whiteboard and pen, even better. Oh yeah, even better. What else? Don't write lots of letters in the comments box. Pretty simple, because it gets annoying. And make sure you do any of your schoolwork first. That's the main thing. Make sure you do that work first. Sorry, Bodie, not Brody. Sorry, I think there's another Brody. There is a Brody here. There's a few. I'm sorry. Good morning. Right. Woo, let's get started with some maths then, shall we? You ready? Let's get going. Come on, let's get started. Come on then. You ready? Doodle-doo. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Perfecties. Right, so we're going to be doing some maths today. Like I said, all you need is a piece of paper and a pen. All of your maths are brought to you by whiterosemaths.com. Do check them out. They are fantastic. They've got lots of lovely resources up online. They are really, really great. Go and have a look. Now, mums and dads, you can go away now. Bye. Bye. See you later. Bye, mum and dad, because you don't need to stay for this unless you want to do some maths with us, in which case, stay. You're more than welcome to. We're going to do a problem-solving starter. Here we go. Here we go. Let's get our brains warmed up, our minds and our toes, and our fingers and our nose. Let's get it warmed up. Let's get ready to go. So, feel free to go at your own pace if you'd like to, or you can work along with me. I don't mind, man. I don't mind. Okay, first one. Complete these number sentences. 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 equals something times 5. Remember that equals means the same as. What's it the same as? It's the same as 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 equals something times 5. What's it going to be? It's going to be the same as that. Equals pequals. Don't forget that equals pequals. Don't forget those equals pequals. 10 add 10 add 10 equals something times 5. What could it be? And 5 take away 5 equals something times 5. Something times 5. Have a little go at that one. Also, please don't forget to vote. I'll talk about that in a minute. But I was putting up a little thing now, just for you, if you want it. But you should be doing your maths. Carry on. La, 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 la. Maybe that's worked. Maybe that's not. Maybe. We'll see. The spinning wheel. The spinning wheel. Spin it. There we go. Right. I'm going to come back to you now. Where are you? Where are you? 86%, 90%. Lovely. Perfect. Right. So, maths first question. First of all, complete these number sentences. 5 add 5 add 5 add 5. Okay, well, let's work that out. 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 gives you 20, doesn't it? 5 add 5 add 5 add 5 gives you 20. So what would something times 5 give you the same answer? Well, it's going to be 4. 4, isn't it? Because there's 4 lots. All it means is 4 lots of 5. 4 lots of 5. So 4 times 5 is the same as that first one. Right, next one. 2 add 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. Okay, we need to work out that answer first, don't we? We're always, with our problem solving, we need to work out the answers. We need to work out the totals. 2 add 2 add 2 add 2. Well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's going to give us 10. What number times by 5 gives us 10? Well, 2 lots of 5 equals 10, isn't it? So 2 times 5. Perfect. Next one, 10 add 10 add 10. So equals something times 5. Okay, well, again, let's work out our totals. 10 add 10 add 10. 10 add 10 add 10 gives you 30. 30. 30, 30, 30. So what number times by 5 would give us 30? Well, again, 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 times 5 gives us 30. Relies on us knowing our 5 times table there to be able to add up to go up to 5. Just groups of 5, isn't it? And then 5 take away 5. Well, if I've got 5 sweeties and I take away 5, how many have I got left? Nil point. I don't have any left, do I? I've got 0. So what would something times 5 equals 0 be? It would be 0. If I had 0 things and I times them by 5, I would still have 0 things. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, good. Give yourself a big R. Very good. First one done. Awesome. Awesome. Wish I had my board with it. Right, next one. Lou has 5 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dan has 8 times as many. What? That's a lot of bananas. How many bananas do they have in total? 5 bananas, 8 times as many. How many bananas do they have in total? Okay, well, Lou has 5 bananas. Dan has 8 times as many. How many bananas do they have in total? What sum could we do that would give us the answer? We've got 5 bananas. We've got, it actually says there as well, 8 times as many. 8 times as many. What is our answer going to be? What is that sum? 5 times 8. If we don't know what 5 times 8 is, counting in 8s can be quite tricky. Switch it round. What would 8 times 5b. That's a bit easier. 5 times table. Count up in 5. 5, 5, 5. 8 groups. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The answer would be 40. How many bananas do they have in total? Oh, ah, ooh, ee, ah, ee, ooh, ee, ah. Think about it. What do we need to do? Oh, ah, ee. Oh, it's got me. It's got me. Ah, ah, ooh, ah, ee. We know that there's 4. We know that Dan's got 8 times, so he's got 40. And Lou's got 5 bananas. Add them together. What's our answer going to be? It's going to be 45. It's going to be 45, isn't it, love? 45. 45, 45, 45. Let me just check these. Right, 4, 2. Yeah, we've done those. Yeah, we've done those. Yeah, perfect. There we go. 5 times 8 gives us a 40. 40 plus the other remaining 5 from Lou gives us 45. All with me? Super. Let's do this last one. Nice and speedy if you haven't done it already. A bag contains 100 counters. Susie takes out 26 counters. Mark takes out 39 counters. How many counters are left in the bag? Right. 100 counters. What are we going to be doing? We're taking some out, which means we could be doing a take away. We're going to be doing take away some, aren't we? Take away the 26. Then we also take out 39. Oh, right, there's a lot of taking away to do. Let's see if we can work this one out. All right. I'm going to make this a bit easier for myself. I'm going to do it a slightly different way. I don't know if this is going to help you at all. It says Susie takes away 26 counters and Mark takes away 39 counters. Well, I'm going to work out the total amount of counters that are being taken away. That for me is going to be a bit easier. So I'm going to add those two numbers together. I'm going to add 26 and 39. That will give me a total of how many counters are being taken away. So 26 add 39. Big numbers to add. Big numbers. I'm going to add the units. Then I'm going to add the tens. Okay. 6 add 9. Well, I'll put 6 in our head and put 9 in our head and count on 6. 9 in our head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 30 add 20. Well, again, 30 add another 20. I'm just counting in tens, aren't I? So if I go from 30 and then add on 2 lots of 10, 30, 40 would be 1 lot of 10. 50 would be 2 lots of 10. Add those numbers together, 50 and 15. 50, count on another 10, 50, 60. And then the 5, 65. So it's going to give us an answer of 65. 65. All with me so far? I'm sorry if I'm going a bit quick today. I feel like I'm going a bit fast again. It's always the way. First thing, always feel like I'm going a bit quick. 65. So that gives us a total amount of counters that need to be taken away. So, what sum can we do then? We know that 65 is the total number of counters that are being taken away. 65. So 100 take away 65. Okay, 100 take away 65. How are we going to work that one out? How can we work that one out? I'm going to frog jump. I love a frog jump. I do love a frog jump. I'm going to start at my lowest number and I'm going to frog jump up. That way it would tell me how much would have been taken away. 65. I'm going to frog jump up to 100. That will tell me how many I've got remaining, how many I've got left. 65 to the next 10. 65 to the next 10 would be 65, 70, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Just give me 5. 70 to the next 10, because I can jump in tens now, I'm at the nice whole number. 70 to 80 gives me 10. 80 to 90 gives me 10. And then 90 to 100 gives me 10. I now need to add together my totals. 10, 10, 10 and 5. 10, 20, 30, 5 gives me a grand total of 35. Perfecto! Give yourself a big R. R. Very good. Let's see if we got this right. Yeah, very good. 100 take away 26. Oh, yes, so they've done it a different way, so you could do it this way as well. if it's easier, 100, take away the 26, gives you 74. And then they've done the 74, so they've done the total of that one, take away the 39. Gives you 35. Both got the same answer. Both brilliant. Give yourself a big R. Oh, yeah. Well done, everyone. Well done. Again, apologies if I went a bit quick today. Feels like I did. It feels very strange not being in the shed. I'm not going to lie. It feels very, very weird. I don't know if I like it. I don't like it. No, I don't like it because it's the shed school and I feel like I'm in the dining room school, which doesn't work. Right, let's get started with today's lesson then. We've been learning about partitioning, haven't we? Partitioning number, how we break things down, how we solve problems with partitioning. Partitioning. Excuse me, dear, you're partitioning. Right, little question for you. I have 9 ones. That was Mo, by the way. I have 9 ones. And Jack says, I have 110, so your number is bigger than mine. Is Jack correct? And prove it. Right, I have 9 ones. So Mo has got 9 ones. He's got 9 ones. Jack, I only have 110, so your number's bigger than mine. What do we think? What do we think for that? I have 9 ones. So is Jack correct? Is Jack correct? No, he's not. Jack, I have 110, so your number's bigger than mine. Jack, you donut. No, of course not. You've got 110, but we know that a 10 is bigger than 9 ones, even though the number's bigger, isn't it? 9. It makes it sound like it's a bigger number, but it's 9 ones. It's 9 on their own. It's 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 counters. Or he's got 10 ones. Well, he's got 10, hasn't he? He's got 10. Come on, Jack. Keep up. We know that at the shed crew. Come on. What's he like, eh, that Jack? That Mo knows what he's talking about. Right, so Jack is incorrect. Yeah, of course he is. Jack is incorrect. Jack's 10 is equal to 10 ones, isn't it? Yes, 10 is the same as 10 ones. It's 10 ones. Mo only has 9 ones. Yeah, unlucky, Mo. You've only got 9 ones, buddy. Sorry, you got a bit of growing up to do because you've only got 9 ones. What number has 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones? Now, this is a bit of a question for you to have a little think about and maybe write down on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. What number has 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones, which means less than 8 ones? How many different numbers can you make? Now, this is going to make more than one number. I would like you to write down as many numbers as you can on your board that are under that bracket, which means they are equal to that question. If I explain that right? Probably not. What number has 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones? Think of a number that has 5 tens. Okay, you got one? Now, think of a number that's got 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones. What number could that be? Have a little think. What number could that be? Have a little thinky. Have a little thinky. Very good. Nice ideas coming in. Yeah, of course. I'm going to write some down on my board. I would love you to write down some too. Okay, so we've got, well, that one could work because that's fewer than 8 ones. Remember, it's got to be fewer than 8 ones. Have you got your board filled up with lots of lovely numbers? And ready? I'm going to show you mine. You ready? You ready? Super. So we have got 50. Yeah, 50 has got 5 tens and less than 8 ones. Yeah, because it's got 0 ones, isn't it? Brilliant. 51. 50 tens, 1 1. 52, 50 tens, 50 ones, 2 twos. God, it's confusing when you start saying like that. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Now, is 58 one? Could I have 58? Could I have 58? What number has 50 tens, sorry, 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones? Can I have 58? Not sure on that one. Can I have 58? I can't have 58, can I? Can't have 58 because it says what number has 5 tens and fewer than 8 ones, which means less than 8 ones. 58 has 8 ones, so I can't use that one. Could I have 49? Could I have 49? Yeah? It's nearly there, isn't it? It's nearly at the 50. No, of course not. It's got to have 5 tens. That's a 40s number. That's only got 4 tens. Very good. Well done, well done. Let's have a little look. Of course, 50, 57, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. Now, 8 possibilities. Brilliant. Give yourself an R. Very good. Well done. Well done. You guys are doing a super job today. Well done. Now, another one for you to see on your whiteboard. What number has 7 tens and fewer than 3 ones? Okay. How many different numbers can you make this time? Off you go on your whiteboard. Give it a go. Give it a go. Give it a go. It's very different being in my house rather than being in the shed. Don't like it. And if anyone knocks on the door, we're screwed. Might be a delivery though. Could be fun if someone comes to the door, then you'd see them. Right, what number has 7 tens and fewer than 3 ones? What do you think? 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 Right. Spider web and a spider. No, that's not the right answer. No, spider web and spider don't appear in maths, unfortunately. Well done, yes, 70, 71, 72. Excellent, lovely. I think that's right. I think 70, that's got 7 tens in, hasn't it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70 tens. And fewer than 3 ones, well, we could have 70, because that would have 0 ones. 71. Could we have 73? Could we have 73? Because it's got to be fewer than 3 ones, okay? 3 is not fewer than, it's not less than. 3 is 3. If it was 4, it would be fine. Let's have a look. 70, 71, and 72. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Party, 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 party. Yeah. Awesome. Right, your little task for today then. Fantastic. Well done, guys. You've been working super hard today, and I know it's a bit weird because it's a bit different. I don't really like change, as most of you don't like change either. So it's a bit weird for me, as it must be a bit weird for you at home. You've worked super hard. Well done. So, today, your little task. Write how many tens and ones are in each number. Okay? Write how many tens and ones are in each number. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many... So, on the first one, it says 78 and 61. How many tens are in 78? How many ones are in 78? How many tens are in 61? How many units are in 61? Do the same for 90 and 89 and 64 and 92. And then it says an extension. Add the tens and units together. Once you have put them into a table, as a little extension task, I would like you to add them all together. What would your totals be? They're going to be some big numbers, but I'm pretty positive that you can add up large numbers now because you've got the skills to do this. To add up, we're going to be adding up super big numbers as we go forward. Going to be looking at adding up hundreds numbers, thousands numbers, million numbers, wow! Maybe not a million because that'd be crazy, but this is laying the foundations to be able to do that, okay? And if you can see numbers like this and be able to break them up easily to tens and ones, it's going to do you wonders when looking at numbers to be able to add up and take away. All right, Brilliant stuff. You guys are good. You're so good. Excellent stuff. Well done. Well done. Well done. Right, back into my house. This is weird, isn't it? Yeah, this is it. So, welcome. Welcome. See, this is what happens. I'm now saying welcome to a class that we've just done. No, what I was going to say is, as some of you may have heard, some fantastic news yesterday, and it's all thanks to you at home. The Shed School has been nominated by the Telegraph as for the Lockdown Awards, and it is the Community Hero Award. It's amazing. Thousands of people were entered, and we are shortlisted down to the final 4 people. I have pinned the link to the Telegraph website. Please, all I ask is that everybody just pops on there and votes for me. If you scroll down to the bottom of the article, it just says Ashley Bates. That's my real name, Ashley. If you pop on there, just click on Ashley and it would register your vote. I believe you can vote as many times as you like. I believe, I don't know if that's true or not. So I would love you all after this lesson today to just go and click on me, and fingers crossed we win an amazing little lockdown award. Why not? That'd be really cool. And ultimately, it's all thanks to you. The Community Hero Award is the one that I think has the most value, the most worth to it, because it's all about us. It's not about me. It's not about the shed at all. It's about you guys at home that are getting something from this. And that's why I did it, and that's why I started it up, was just to help people at home like yourselves. If it is helping you, and it has helped you over the last few weeks, give it a vote. It'll be very much appreciated. Thank you. Can we see Mr. Monkey? You can see Mr. Monkey, but not until English. We're going to be back here at 11 o'clock for English. I'm going to see if the gardeners are finished now, because they were trimming a huge tree. And it was so noisy. That's why we're in here. I'm going to go see if they're finished now. Fingers crossed we'll be back in the shed for 11 o'clock. I'm going to have to move everything, but we will see. If not, we'll be back in here. But don't panic. We will see Mr. Monkey regardless, all right? Do remember to share your work with me. Send it via the Facebook. The Facebook. I've got to stop doing that. Send it via the Facebook. Send it via Instagram. If you're on YouTube, get on one of those platforms. Give it a follow. Give it a like. Also, if you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram, get on YouTube. Have a little like on there. All of our videos are up on there. Click a little subscribe. And we will see you back here at 11 o'clock for Q Stage 1 English. I can't wait. I hope we're back in the shed by then. I'm pretty sure we will be. We'll see. We'll see. I'll see you at 11. Go get a drink. Go get a snack. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Grab your pen and pencil, everyone. We're going to the shed school. Shed school. Your class is about to begin. We're going to the shed school.